Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to invert the y-axis for air vehicles on Dune Awakening. In order to do it, you'll need to go to the settings, then in gameplay tab, you can see here are y-axes just for the whole game, but if you scroll down to a vehicle section, you'll see the y-axis for controller and for mouse, and you can turn that on so it's inverted or turn that off so it's not inverted, and you can do it separately for mouse and controller. Remember to apply the change using the enter key on your keyboard or clicking on this button down below. And that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.